Hello my friends, hope you all are doing well. My name is Baji Pino and you are watching my YouTube channel Learn with Baji Pino. Today we are going to start our next exercise, that is transferring water with dropper. Material used in this exercise will be tray, dropper, food colors, it's optional, and sponge. First of all, you will introduce the child to the material. Take some water in the bowl, add some color and mix it well. Take a dropper in your right hand. Hold the dropper with two fingers, one thumb. Put the end in the water. Squeeze the bulb until bubbles appear in the water. Then release the bulb so the water will be drawn in. Move the dropper over the other bowl and squeeze the water out. Repeat until all the water has been moved to the other bowl. Wipe slipped water using a sponge.